Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this towel warmer that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say it's pretty big. I think that you can put up to 3/4, maybe four. I think four big towels in this one. I have only one, so I'm gonna show it to you and show you how much space you have. But there are two things, actually three things that I really like about this one. Number one, it comes with the legs. They're actually long legs because the other one that we had before had like really short legs, and they kind of like the place for all that. It's not a steam, but the heat to actually breathe is down here. So the other one was actually making kind of like a stain in the floor, like in the tile. So we didn't notice that until after a few weeks or something, but this one has long legs. So to me, that is important. The other good thing, it comes with a timer and easy on and off button. And this one is going to give you up to 60 minutes. So you can warm those towels for your guests, for yourself, or for whoever, just using the timer right here. Also, if that's not enough, it comes with a lock. So you can see that I can't open that one. So for kids, that one is premium. But the best thing about this one is that it also comes with a speaker. This one, it has a Bluetooth speaker. I can't show you that one right now because I can't play any music. It can get muted and rejected, but it comes with a speaker that you can pair with your phone and actually listening to music while you're in the bathroom, while you're like showering, or for example, if you have guests, or if you're running kind of like a small spa or something like that, you can put the speaker while you're warming the towels. Let me show it to you. Okay, check this out. This is already red, meaning that this one is already warming up. That was the Bluetooth. It's trying to pair with my phone, which I was trying before, but I'm using my phone over there. But you can see that this blue light is for the Bluetooth, the speaker. So now we're gonna unlock it. Oh, by the way, something that I forgot. This right here, this section right here, comes with a lavender, really nice kind of like a cotton swab or cotton pad that you can put inside, and with the steam is gonna circulate all that really nice lavender, or kind of like aroma diffuser, I wanna say. And then this is gonna be the first towel I have to only, oh, it's nice and warm. This is so nice and smells like lavender. But check this out. Check out how big this one is. So you can see that it's actually pretty big, and we're gonna just like drop this one. Of course, if you put it kind of like a folded, it's gonna be much better, but you can see how much space we still have on this one. And then when you're done, if you wanna use the speaker, you can use it. If not, we can just do this, lock it, the things won't open, and we're all set. I think it's pretty cool. Have your own spa in your own home.